There's definitely no sealer at all on this driveway. Dump a little water on there. You can see the water start to immediately penetrate down in. The end of the driveway's got a new section. I'm pretty sure there's no sealer there either. Yeah, that's unsealed as well. Okay, here it is the next day. Our clean and seal with our penetrating sealer. Want to test how well the water is beating up on this surface here. So really don't see anything going in. And here's that new section at the end of the drive. We'll just pour some water and see. You can see it's protecting and not going down in there.